9 o'clock on a Saturday. Där jularkrar chaffesin. There is an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic and gin.
He says, "Sam, can you play me a memory? I'm not really sure how it goes, but it's sad, it's sweet, and I knew it complete. But I have the younger man's clothes. Oh, la da di da, la da di da, da da." Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for the melody, and you got us feeling alright. It's a pretty good crowd for the Saturday, and the manager gives me a smile, 'cause he knows that it's me they've been coming to see, to forget about life